Step 1. Using the absorbent cloth and glass cleaner, clean the surface of the glass and the clean side of the smart film. Step 2. Align the edges of the smart film with the corners of the glass. Step 3. Peel away 2 inches of the protective liner and allow the adhesive of the film to stick to the glass. Step 4. Using the squeegee, press the film down in horizontal lines until no air bubbles are visible. Repeat steps 3 and 4 until the smart film is completely bubble-free. Step 5. Remove the liner on the other side of the smart film. Step 6. Connect smart film to power. Congratulations, your installation is complete. Now enjoy your electronic smart film.